you want me to treat them there?
Yeah, man, you don't know. You just hear with Queenie just say, look, while today's Obevh Friday, Dewey. Like, you know, safe on your side. Man, I tell no lie. Walk on when you dip on. Welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. And if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it? Yeah, man, but you don't know Queenie got link in friend RT and RT pop out the dolly from the stone. Show you say him as a youth, Hol Dung people and them something they say you don't know. Do we have to watch out for you don't know? Queenie help Dewey and them thing their RT are going to influence her if you say yo. I don't know if you say yeah man, you just want to drop on the comment in the comment section yeah man. I will go forward and watch the video and see what really take place. You see it? Him call it Guzu Friday.
And Science Friday, Obevh Friday. Yeah, me I'm a Guzu Obevh man RT pass. We bring out the new song to the band. Everybody says RT reach out the door. RT just do my son and just do our U-turn and say, me are going to go post them, but I can't insult. Yo, you see a manager, you see a boss, RT right them. On a two road.
There's a Queenie can't stay in there, right?
Somebody white coming down the place about battery rider and shot to come from down to the north to them out to the stink.
Me tell the team them to come out and we going there. I say, where manager there? I say, manager, why you don't want Queenie in your member say yeah? The Queenie said, come on, RT, stop it. Me say, stop what? Yeah, everybody there, man. And then quiet. Queenie said, stop it.
RT done them, I mean, oh God, you know, after all it's said and done, I like that you defend me. And I have to appreciate that because it's really rude when it's tasted done. A lot of people in Jamaica, them stereotype me a lot, but guess what, them appreciate me and love me so much. The way them run me down, I'm excited over me. I have to give and take. Remember them bad me from you. We go up and you in a big home field, go run up and down and do a video and then tell me bad. Them do my bad down here and I'm too much bad.
You're bad over you.
Yeah, they're bad, man. I'm going to come back from the campus. So I'm going to go do a video, a normal video. Just have a little shots and I like me. Pegasus. I'm sexy celebrate my family and it's rude. It is rude. But to me, at plus, no, man, because for that Jamaican family, I would be so big and great and powerful in a life corner. You know, that's tight for me. So they're very stereotyping in Jamaica. They're like this. Look how Jamaica acts. And you go certain places, I might tell you, say you can't wear sleeveless. Lorenda. Clothes, you know. Hot at Jamaica now. I let me forget hospital. Go visit somebody. You can't wear sleeveless. Them turn your back. Say people them stay there and friction. Nobody not come visit them. Don't forget, man. You know, in the society. Eh? Yeah, them do my bad out here. But so I was born here and you can't deny me. Yeah, but still I come to your class them. I true RT them do my bad. I not just this is a night there. The man in there. Rude.
I can't tell me, remember. Oh, yeah, right. Good.
I told me this is really famous. And I get a lot of bashing because my daughter said, Mommy, if you get RT business man, really. I could have never eaten. I wish what? Where's Sunday? Where Nicky Sunday? Send it to RT. I did send it to your RT. Who want to give me a key? I could have never in a quickie. You have to go mute it though. No.
Fried fish.
Them ears goody. Where you want to lick me for? Mona, where you want to lick me for?
Amari, Queenie said we call we now. That's up, Queenie.
I'm afraid. Amari, I'm afraid. Shaga done me. Shaga done. We.
E. Hey.
I see.
I know I understand.
Shaga, I wish I had that's a banga come and play in their mouth.
What did she know answer? Alright, gentle people, I'm going to look on the video now. Queenie, I could see if nobody is. Alright, so the coming at 1,000 mean 100. You have
How much comment you got?
100 people, and you have 700 people. You have 18 wife and 700 work.
Me?
No.
The whole of them are my one, yeah.
Alright, so how you go now?
How many views have you got?
18,000 views.
What? And you just said 14? How many comments?
Um,
married that?
No.
Oh.
105 comments.
Yes, so that's good. It goes with the views.
Well, one point add comment.
Yes.
Oh, 500 comment for me.
No, when you reach like 30,000 then 40,000, the comments go along with the views.
Oh.
So by getting 14,000 views, 18,000 views.
Oh, you go check and tell me how much views.
100,000 comments. That's good.
Okay, please go check and tell me how much views on the song, please, because me alone can't check. Me not
gonna help you check. How much? Let me see it. No.
You go look and see how much views on the song and come tell me. Me don't want to hear it in here. I want them on the live go look and come tell me. How much are you going to look? It's $700.
Then quick man. When you go by RT bass, it too. Somebody said 2,000.
18. Lie them at it.
Yo, 18 again now. 15
Yeah,
No.
it was 15 a while ago.
No one 8 on the line now.
But what no?
That mean at 18 to somebody.
What she said? No, what you hear what we are saying? Somebody said anybody we are saying 250K, you don't look nowhere. It's the video. Okay, you see, Queenie, you see them love, and you them love. People, the video just dropped.
Them love you too.
Put me 8 aside. We know you know it. They don't like me, man.
No man, them like you. All they see them chugging.
You know what me tell them? Yeah, me tell you why I say they don't like me. When me in the comment, hear them. I hear them good dirty man.
That's what I'm doing too.
I hear them good dirty man. I'm cloudy man. Look, you know. I can't stand it.
That's why you muggle your mouth. Them like when you muggle your mouth, so them provoke you. But if they didn't like it, they wouldn't be here.
All right, look, here the one you know. I see move for us if we move in with you.
Yes, it's what?
Here they say, yes, man, they say, no, we do not like you. You see that there? Hey, girl, you just say, remember, your man don't want you. So, you say, me don't want you like me neither.
I keep me love you. Me love you so
I'm
much.
with the queen with the stiff titty.
Yeah.
Crazy!
Never lazy.
Blood.